Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Tip and Guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete all mails from your Gmail at once. Remember one thing, you cannot do this process from your Gmail app, so instead, you'll have to do it from your browser. So open your browser, and once your browser is opened, tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on desktop site. After that, search Gmail and open gmail.com. Now, you can see all the mails. Tap on this more and then tap on all mail. After that, tap on this square right here and then it will select all of the mails, and if you have more than 50 mails, an option will appear here where it says select all mails, and you just have to tap on that and tap on this trash can icon, and you will have successfully deleted every single one of your mails. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.